A peaceful home environment is something every homeowner values. But in growing communities like Coppell, outside noise, from traffic, neighbors, and everyday activity, can sometimes make its way indoors. If you've noticed that your home isn't as quiet as you'd like, upgrading to replacement windows can make a significant difference. Modern replacement windows are designed with features that not only improve energy efficiency but also help minimize outside noise. For homeowners in Coppell, this means creating a quieter, more comfortable living space without sacrificing style or functionality. One of the primary ways replacement windows reduce noise is through improved sealing. Older windows often develop gaps over time due to wear, shifting, or outdated materials. These small openings allow sound to travel easily into your home. New replacement windows are built with precision-engineered frames and tight seals that limit air and sound transfer. When properly installed, they create a strong barrier against outdoor noise. Glass technology also plays a major role in sound reduction. Many modern windows feature double or triple pane glass, which adds multiple layers between your home and the outside environment. These layers help absorb and dampen sound waves, making it more difficult for noise to pass through. This is especially beneficial in Coppell neighborhoods where activity levels can vary throughout the day. Some replacement windows also offer laminated glass options for enhanced sound control. Laminated glass includes an inner layer that helps reduce vibrations, further minimizing noise transmission. This feature is ideal for homeowners who live near busier streets or simply want a quieter indoor environment. Frame materials contribute to noise reduction as well. High-quality materials like vinyl and fiberglass are designed to insulate against both temperature and sound. These materials help prevent vibrations from traveling through the frame, adding another layer of protection against unwanted noise. Proper installation is essential to achieving these benefits. Even the best window won't perform effectively if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can allow sound to enter, reducing the effectiveness of the upgrade. Professional installation ensures a precise fit and secure seal, maximizing both noise reduction and energy efficiency. In addition to reducing noise, replacement windows improve overall comfort. A quieter home allows you to relax, focus, and enjoy your space without constant interruptions. Whether you're working from home, spending time with family, or simply unwinding, reduced noise levels can greatly enhance your daily experience. Energy efficiency is another advantage that works alongside sound reduction. The same features that block noise, such as tight seals and multi-pane glass, also help regulate indoor temperatures. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and more comfortable in the winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Replacement windows also enhance your home's overall appearance. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can choose options that complement your home's design while improving performance. This allows you to upgrade both the look and functionality of your home at the same time. Another benefit is increased home value. Quiet, energy-efficient homes are attractive to potential buyers, making replacement windows a smart investment. Even if you're not planning to sell, it's reassuring to know that your upgrade adds long-term value. Maintenance is also easier with modern windows. Durable materials and improved construction reduce the need for frequent repairs, ensuring your windows continue to perform well over time. This adds to the overall convenience and value of your investment. Ultimately, replacement windows offer a practical solution for reducing outside noise in Coppell neighborhoods. By combining advanced materials, improved sealing, and modern design, they help create a quieter, more comfortable home. If outside noise is affecting your living space, upgrading your windows is a step toward a more peaceful environment. With the right replacement windows and professional installation, you can enjoy the comfort of a quieter home while still staying connected to your community.